let's solve this Necopass question. Now the question says, what is the sum of all the numbers between 5 and 130 which are divisible by 4? This is Necopass question 2010, question number 26. It is a theory question, right? Now, between 5 and 130, I asked to get the numbers that 4 can divide and then add those numbers, right? Now, 5 is not divisible by 4, which you know. Okay, let's start by saying solution, right? If I have the first number, we should start with what? 8, right? It will start with 8. Now, if I leave some of you, you begin to say, you count 8, right? After 8, you count what? 12, right? After 12, you count 16. Yes, you count what? 20, yes, 24, yes, 20, what again? 28, and so on. Now, you see that to what end to, if you begin to count this thing like this, at a point you get confused in the examination hall, right? And know when you succeed in you have to add them. It's boring now. So let me teach you the easiest way to solve this particular question. Now, we are going to use what we call AP, arithmetic progression, to tackle this particular question, right? Now, I thought one of my videos I'm going to teach you arithmetic so that you know it very well. Now, from AP, right? From these numbers now, I've just listed now, you can see that the first number here is what? 8. So AP we call it first term, and they normally use A to represent first term, right? And that's what? 8. Now if you keep listing these numbers, you find that the last number that 4 can divide should be 1 to 8, right? The last number can be what? Is there 1 to 8. 1 to 8, right? Yes. So now we call that last number L, right? Last 10. Called what? Last 10. So my L is what? Is 1 to 8. Now in AP we have what we call common difference, right? And these numbers, the difference between two numbers is when you subtract, right? And we use D for common difference, right? And that should be what? 12 minus 4. 12 minus 8 is 4, right? 16 minus 12 is 4. That's common difference. So this one is 4, right? Now, I'm going to get the number of 10 that will help me to sum them, right? And I'm going to use what? Last 10. Remember in AP you have N10. You can use the formula for N10 for last 10 because last 10 is still N10, right? So for last 10, L becomes what? The same formula with N10, which is what? A plus N minus 1, then times D. Are you following me? Yes. Now, where L is this, A is this, D is this, right? We're looking for N. Now let's substitute. So I have 1 to 8 equal to my A is my 8 plus, then N is what? Is what I want to find first. Minus 1, this is what? 4, right? Alright, and that will be 1 to 8 minus 8 equal to, open bracket, 4 times N is 4N, minus 4 times 1 is 4, right? Now, 1 to 8 minus 8 is 120. Are you following me? Equal to 4N minus 1, 4, right? Take minus 4 to this side, right? It becomes 120 plus 4 equal to 4N. 120 plus 4 is 124 equal to 4N. Are you following me now? Now let's divide both sides by what? By 4. This cancel. 4 here 1. 4 here is what? Is 3. 4 is what? 1. So N, which is called N10, becomes what? 31. Now, at this point now, we are going to solve the sum of all the numbers that are divisible by 4 within this range, right? And I've gotten that particular N, right? And you know the AP, what was sum of N10? We're going to use that formula. There are two formulas to use if you are looking for sum of what? N10. Now, I'm going to use the second formula, which is this, because we have gotten our last term now, right? Okay, so sum of N10 becomes first term plus what? Plus, that becomes N over 2 into first term plus the last term. Use this one more easier because you know your last term. I know you know that the another formula for that is N over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 all d, right? Now this one is more easier because you know your last term, right? I'm going to use this one. And of course you know that n represents 31, right? So the numbers, they must die 31 in numbers, right? And that's the sum of what? 31 should be equal to, my n is what? Is 31 over 2 into, my first term is what? Is 8 plus my last term is 1, 2, 8. So are you following me now? And that will be equal to 31 over 2. Now add it. 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry 1. Add it here 3. Right? Then bring the 1 here. Are you following me now? Now at this point, you are not doing a bad thing by multiplying, right? So let's just multiply. Are you following me now? So 2 here. 1, 3 to 13 is what? Is 6. I want to mean, yes, very what? 1, which is 16. 8 to 16 becomes what? 8. So what do we have now? We have 3, 1 times what? 6, 8. Are you following me now? Now, if you multiply this, let me use my calculator and multiply for faster method. So I have 31 times 68. And that will give me, so sum of the required number becomes 2,108. And that is the answer to this particular question. Don't forget to like and share to this particular video. Then that will be useful for you. It's okay.